Once you have created some recipes, from within your Kafoodle account, you have access to datasheets via the homepage. There is a tile with a drop-down arrow which allows you to access an allergen datasheet, nutrition datasheet, or even costs. If we take the allergen datasheet first, here you will see every recipe that you have created in the software and a matrix showing ticks for does contain, crosses for does not contain, or even an M for may contain any of the given allergens across the top of the screen. You can search for a particular recipe, or even limit your view down by a particular recipe list, or perhaps a menu. You can even exclude particular allergens from your view, so if you select an allergen to exclude, it will remove any dishes containing said allergen from your view. Likewise, you can also go down to the granular level of ingredient. You can search to exclude a particular ingredient from any dishes you're seeing, or include any particular ingredient. You can print the datasheet straight out of the software if you require a hard copy. Or you can even select a particular dish or dishes that you require, and then choose to print labels directly from here. There are other datasheets available as previously discussed. There is a nutrition datasheet. Here you can see all of the nutritional information again against every recipe that you have in the software. At the top you have similar filtering as with the allergen sheet. You can also choose to look at your values per serving instead of per 100 grams. This could be particularly useful with the new legislation regarding calories per serving. On either of these datasheets, you can also click on any of the dishes and be taken to the entire spec sheet for review. Finally, the costing datasheet. This again brings together all of your recipes and also all of the fields within the software in relation to costs. You have the same search functionality, but also on the costing and the nutritional datasheet, you also have the ability to export out into Excel, where you can manipulate the data as you see fit.